Yeah, this is David Talbot. I'm CTO of WorkMovr. And this is our Datapage catalog and usage add-on for your Caspio application. Particularly useful if you have 100, 200, several hundred, or 1,000 data pages, okay? It maintains a complete portfolio of data pages. It tracks usage, creation, ownership, and it can identify inactive or outdated data pages. The best thing is that this is a totally automated process. You could never do this manually. And so what we have is a rather than sort of intricate little program that takes all your data pages, puts them into a catalog, and then tracks the usage. Okay, no manual cataloging required. That would be impractical. So here we are. This is what it looks like. You have a list of all the data pages with the app key, whatever, and also you know when they were hidden, when they're deployed, and if they've ever been used, and when the last use date. And then we have like a snapshot. So you've got 620 data pages, 417 deployed, 7 were used, and that's a little bit low, but we've found oftentimes that people are only using like 30% of their data pages, and it's sort of astonishing, okay? And, those that haven't been used in over 60 days. So here we get a usage report here. This is a total detail of every time every data page is used and who it's used by. And that comes on to a summary by the data pages, and of course, some data pages very heavily used and then the usage drops off very quickly. And again, then summary by individual, who's using the data pages and, how busy are they? And this is a pretty useful thing, is if you've got a lot of data pages and you're using your application and you find a data page and say, this is not working right, I wonder which one it is, you can just click on that data page and it'll show you the summary of that particular data page. It's app key, so you can search for it in Caspio. Very, very useful, okay? And so here we are. You get full visibility of data pages. You don't need to track things manually. Everything is done automatically, and you can see which data pages are used a lot, which are not used so much, and who's using them. So overall, a very useful little utility. So thanks very much.